guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a Luvmehair glueless wig install. This is a like 360 unit where you can put it in a high ponytail if you guys please. I'm gonna just drop some pictures of it side to side so y'all can see the versatility. Like I said, it's glueless and it's actually giving super cute. It's a little small head friendly, so if you're on the smaller side, this is gonna be perfect for you guys. But let's hop into this quick install.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Wearing a Luvmehair wig, I think I want to make it glueless. This is a 360 wig, like you can do any and everything you want. You can part it wherever you want to. So I think I will definitely do some styles, but I want to make it glueless. Let's cut this lace off real quick to figure it out. Absolutely love the hair. It's actually super wavy, super cute. Just a quick throw on and go wig. This is probably something that I would wear with a headband because it's just giving that vibe to me. But I love it. I think it's so cute. It's super long. I got 24 inches. And yeah, this is a quick video because it was a glueless wig install and I want you guys to know how easy and versatile 360 wigs can be. But yeah, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.